Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I am going to go over just a few handbags because I want to concentrate on the color of the hardware, which is silver. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Okay, so besties, this is going to be a quick video. Today isn't even my video upload day, but I could not let this go by. We're going to talk about a couple of bags, and the first bag that I want to talk about, and I just want to get you guys' opinion, okay? I have been seeing the Speedy Cargo handbags floating around for a while now, and I think they are so cute. I actually love them. I really do. It's been on my radar, but not something that I feel like I have to go and purchase like right now. But I want you guys to look at this bag here. This is a Speedy Cargo Vibe in the color Vanilla. Product code number is M12965. And when I tell you I love this color Vanilla, I absolutely love it. And I love that they chose silver hardware. I'm telling you guys, it's just a look. You have to just kind of imagine yourself with the handbag, and it just comes to you. Like I said, I've been doing this so long, and most of us probably would have went gold hardware with this, but no, silver actually makes this pop. And I love the added monogram bag tag at the front. And I also love the reversible strap that comes with this handbag. The side pockets is perfect, guys. I love everything about the Speedy Cargo handbags. I love the tote handle. I mean, and it's like an extended tote handle. The zipper is kind of extended as well. Guys, this is just super, super cute. LV. The silver writing on the front. Are you trying to copy off of somebody else? Coach, maybe? Because I've been browsing on the Coach website, and I just spoke on this in the last video, guys. Okay, I just spoke on it, but we're not going to go there. We are not going to go there. But anyways, guys, this is so beautiful to me. And like I said, I love the Speedy Cargo handbags. I love everything about it. I really do, and I love that they have silver hardware. The inside, you can most definitely tell, is that smooth microfiber material, guys, and it's just so beautiful. Even the vanilla color inside, I absolutely love. But this with silver hardware, good job, LV, and even the added monogram pieces, guys. I love how this looks on the model. Guys, honestly, I have no complaints about this. I do not think it's an ugly handbag at all. I love it. I love it. The only thing, let's go back, okay? You guys know I'm picky. Let's go back. The only thing that I would change, and that's on the bag tag, I would have made it all monogram, okay? I would not have added the vanilla piece to it. This would have been completely monogram, okay? Everything would have been monogram on this bag tag, okay? That's probably the only thing that I'm picky about, because we have enough of the vanilla color here. Just go ahead and just give us all monogram with the bag tag so we can add it to another handbag. You know that's what we're going to do, okay? You could have gave us that. But other than that, everything is perfect, okay? So, this is the first handbag I wanted to speak on with the silver hardware. Next, let's go to this Dolphin handbag. I am not a big fan of the dolphin design. Yes, I do have a dolphin bum bag in my collection. I also had a dolphin hobo that I actually sold because I never used it. I wanted the MM size, but the MM was discontinued and my CA could only find the PM and it was just too small. I didn't do anything with it. But looking at this here, I love this, and I'm so glad that they chose silver hardware. Looking at this, guys, we would have most definitely went with gold. So I am glad they are incorporating more silver because you guys know the men collection is basically silver hardware. So giving us options, that's what I love. That's what I'm talking about, LV. Give us options, but give us options, good looking options, more color, just like you give the men, okay? So again, here is the dolphin handbag. This is the Dolphin Soft MM Black. And we are going to get a lot of soft handbags as well rolling out. And when I say soft, we are getting a lot of Speedies. I don't know what's going on. They are taking our Speedy 25s away and giving us Speedy 30 soft. So just get ready for that. I just wanted to give you guys that little info, okay? So back to the Dolphin Soft MM. Product code is M13450. This is $4,550. And yes, LV, we know about the little price increase you have snuck in. It's okay. You don't have to say anything. So looking at this, guys, what if this was completely black minus the monogram? I have no issues with the monogram at all. I love anything that has monogram with it, monogram canvas with it. I think it does bring out this handbag, but I'm also thinking about what if it was all black and with that silver popping, okay? I love the reversible strap, monogram on one side and then the black on the opposite side with the silver hardware. Like I said, I have no issues with this at all. At all. Inside, you got the zipper lining in there, silver hardware. This is the back of the handbag. This is basically trimmed in monogram. Like I said, no issues with this at all. And I told you guys about the chain straps. No matter if it's silver or gold, LV is going to add chain straps. So we can honestly take this strap off. As you can see, it is adjustable and detachable. And you can just use it carrying the chain strap, or you have the strap that it comes with, okay? But like I said, I love the size. I see nothing wrong with it at all. And I think it's perfect for my tall divas as well. It just looks good on this model, okay? So moving forward, this is the collection that I want to talk about because how did LV like basically drop the ball on this? This was just so insane to me. Let's just talk about it, okay? So this is the LV Monogram Unprint Broom collection. Let's just go through it because this pissed me off so bad, okay? So let's start with the Petite Palace handbag. The first one, this is first of all a beautiful color. This is a beautiful color and the silver hardware is so perfect with this collection. I have no issues with this at all. Everything is perfect, okay? We actually have the vanity chain pouch, and this to me is honestly one of my favorites so far from this collection, guys. There's going to be some SLGs too. So just wait a little bit. Some things did not pass production. I know that for sure. Some of the designs, but we most definitely, I would say we needed a Speedy 20. I'm just saying. I know it's unprint leather, but we needed something smaller, but something to where we are able to carry enough items in, okay? Not something that's just that small like the vanity chain on pouch. Just hold on. I'm going to explain what I'm talking about, okay? So we have the vanity chain pouch here. I love everything about it. I love the leather and chain braided strap. You guys know I'm a big fan of that. I love the padlock on the front in silver. Everything about this to me is perfect. I'm not loving this size. I've never been a fan of the vanity chain pouch. If I'm going to pay for a handbag, it's the same how I feel about the mini handbags. If I'm going to pay over $2,000 for something, I need to be able to fit my whole life, my problems, concerns, and my kids in it, okay? I'm just saying. But everything about it, the tote handle, the color, the silver hardware, like I said, the additional braided chain strap is perfect. It's just the size. Okay, and so then we have the Carry All PM. You guys know how I feel about the Carry All handbag. I only dislike the Carry All when it has the tie strap at the front. But when it comes to the zipper, the unprint Carry All handbags are perfect. I absolutely love and adore. So this is the Carry All in the PM size. Everything about this is beautiful. I love the bag tag on the front. To me, this is perfect. This is perfection. I have no issues with this handbag. So with us not getting a Speedy 20, I would say the Carry All PM will work. But I'm a Speedy girl for some reason right now. This is my Speedy girl season. But I do want something larger. Like this would have been so beautiful in a Speedy 30. Yep, a Speedy 30 most definitely would have worked. But the Carry All PM, no issues at all. Silver hardware. You guys let me know if you have an unprint leather Carry All and how is it working for you. Not the monogram Carry All, the one with the tie string in the front. I had it for 3 days and sent it back. So irritating. But let's talk about this. This is what made me super duper mad at LV. Like, I was so upset when I saw this. And it took me a minute to catch on. But the Neverfull. This would have been perfect. I told you guys I wanted something bigger. Neverfull would have been perfect. A Speedy 30 or a Neverfull. Even a Speedy 25 bandolier. But a Neverfull. An unprint leather in this beautiful color. Why? Why gold hardware? Everything else had silver hardware. Why gold hardware with this Neverfull? LV, you had one job. This is coming from a person that loves gold hardware. Why the Neverfull? You could have used any other, the Vandy chain pouch, you could have made that gold. But why the Neverfull? This is something that everyone would have been after. It's like we give you chance after chance after chance, and you just always do something that just, you're on the right track, and then you just, why? Okay, so guys, look at this Neverfull. Why did they add gold hardware? I mean, did you run out of silver? What happened? Was it a shortage on silver? Because with the Neverfull, it's not a lot of hardware that comes with the handbag anyway. It's just the little D-rings on the sides, okay? The D-rings at the bottom of the string, of the adjustable string, and then inside, I think it's like a D-ring, okay? And then you have the pochette that comes with it, okay? The zipper. But it's not a lot of silver hardware compared to the other handbags. You could have left this silver. So guys, let me know how you feel. Like I said, I just wanted to come and point this out because I got excited when I saw this collection. The SLGs are going to be absolutely beautiful. Yes, they are coming with silver hardware. And you do have an SLG that's coming with gold. And I'm guessing they are doing that to match it with this Neverfull. But I don't like it. This should have been silver. This whole collection should have been just silver hardware. So guys, let me know how you feel about the Speedy Cargo. And with that, honestly, that design rolling out, how do you guys feel about the Speedy Cargo design? I know a lot of you guys state that you don't like the pockets on the side. And guys, it's a cargo bag, okay? So it's basically if you like it or if you don't like it, okay? Like, I don't see anything wrong with it. On here, it is just giving me a different vibe, like the front of it with the Louis Vuitton writing. Even though Louis Vuitton does it on some handbags, to me, it still does seem like they kind of copied off of Coach just a little bit. I don't know. I just feel like all these brands, they run out of ideas and they just copy off of each other. But so far, for 2025, Coach has been killing. And this is coming from a person that does not have not one Coach bag, but find myself on the Coach website and find myself wanting to go visit Coach. I'm being honest with you guys. But I am really trying to be patient with Louis Vuitton because I love the brand. Just being honest. So guys, let me know how you feel about these handbags. Do you think I'm wrong with about the Neverfull? Is the gold okay for you guys? Me, I say they dropped the ball. Just let me know how you feel. The same as if I was speaking about the gray denim yesterday, guys. That should have been silver hardware. Like, we can fight and argue back and forth as besties because sometimes besties, they just don't agree. But The gray denim, I have said and I thought about it over and over again. The vachetta was wrong. It should have been outlined in gray. Not black. Not black. It should have been gray. And it should have been silver hardware. There you go. That's the bag that's created in my head. That's the bag that I think about. So the gray denim that I showed on yesterday, this handbag here, and I'm just imagining no vachetta. Replace the vachetta with gray, probably just a tad bit darker gray color, and silver hardware. I don't care if the gold pops. The silver will pop on this. If you add just a dark, if you add the replace the vachetta with a dark gray color and that silver hardware, guys, it will pop. It will pop, okay? So guys, let me know how you feel. And yes, I get excited when I speak on handbags, guys. I get excited when I can design a handbag in my head. I don't know what it is, but I just get excited. And some of you guys, you understand. So thank you so much for understanding my craziness and my, you know, my obsession with designing certain handbags in my head, and I just spill it out in the videos. So guys, let me know how you feel about the silver hardware, especially that Neverfull. Did they drop the ball, or are you okay with the gold hardware? As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.